You can use the business solution content in RapidValue to guide you through Dynamics AX functionality, to specify which processes you will use in your business, and to identify and manage unique requirements of your business model. In this demonstration, we'll take a look at the standard business solution content in RapidValue. We'll look at how to use the standard solution to create and customize a solution for a customer implementation. Finally, we'll look at how to use RapidValue to help manage key aspects of a system implementation. Business solutions are templates that can be used as a basis for starting customer implementations. Let's start by looking at business solution content in RapidValue. Open the Business Solutions menu item in RapidValue. For this demonstration, we'll select the food manufacturing solution. When you select food manufacturing, you see a display of the business processes for food manufacturing. We will click on Solution View, where we can browse through the solution in detail. This business process collection contains standard business process workflows for a food manufacturing business. If we click the Show Details button, we see all of our defined business processes. We can drill down and look at individual processes. We see a description of each process, the tasks within the process, and a menu path showing how to navigate to the corresponding form for each task in Dynamics AX. There also is a link on each task that takes us to the corresponding Dynamics AX form. This structure allows you to view all processes and see where and how to perform each task. There are over 100 business process workflows in the food manufacturing content, including both operations and accounting workflows. Now that we've seen standard content, let's take a look at how you can use that content to start and manage your implementation. Click on the Customer Solutions menu item in the RapidValue menu. In Customer Solutions, you can start with a copy of a standard business solution and customize it to meet your requirements. We click on the New Solution button and select the Copy tab. Here we can give our customer solution a name and define which standard business process solution on which to model our customer solution. We now have a starting point for a new implementation. Click on the Strategy button to open the Business Strategy form. Here you define the mission statement and goals for your implementation. With your goals defined, you can align your business processes to support your business strategies. Click on the Processes button to view and manage the processes that came from the original template. From here, you can add and modify processes and associate processes with the goals you defined in the previous step. In the following steps, we will use RapidValue to help perform a business analysis where we define the scope, analyze business processes, and define and manage requirements for our customer implementation. In Customer Solutions, click on the Implement tab, then click the Define Project Scope button. Here we find the collection of business processes we brought in from our template. We review each group of processes and remove those elements that are out of scope for the implementation. For example, we may decide not to use statistical forecasting in planned supply chain. And we may decide to defer the implementation of quality processes. We remove these processes from scope because we no longer need visibility to these tasks as part of the implementation. Next, we walk through the processes in more detail. We learn about the business processes, identify configuration requirements, development requirements, and functional gaps. Click on the Verify Process button for our customer solution. Drill into each group of business processes and review the workflows and tasks. As you work through the system with your consultant, you will identify new requirements, configurations, and other elements of the implementation that need to be addressed. Use this form to add and define requirements. As you define requirements, you can categorize and prioritize them. Flag any processes where you find a functional gap so that you can focus on those areas in later analysis. Once you have verified processes, you can use the system to view or publish a gap analysis. Click the Analyze Gaps button. Here we see only those tasks where we flagged gaps in the previous step. Next, we'll click on the Manage Requirements button. We see a complete list of all work defined. Use this list to prioritize your implementation work and track the work using task statuses. Use RapidValue to publish documents at any point, including your scope statement, process verification, and gap analysis. Additionally, you can publish your business process to the help system so that the processes and tasks are available to your users anytime. In this demonstration, we started with standard content for a food products manufacturer. We copied that content with all of its existing workflow to a new customer-specific solution. Finally, we performed a business analysis. We defined our project scope, verified our business processes, defined gaps, and created a requirements list that we can use to manage implementation work. Thanks for watching this presentation on RapidValue content.